It's time to take a closer look at the technique of a front flip, also known as a front somersault or front tuck. After a fast run-up, perform a long hurdle, slightly bend your legs, and bring feet forward to prepare for takeoff while keeping your torso straight. Drive your arms upward. At the same time, punch through the floor with your legs to jump as high as possible. As you take off in a hollow position, drive your hips upward to generate rotation. Then pull your knees toward your chest to achieve the tuck position, increasing angular momentum as a result. Slow down the rotation by opening the body as you prepare for landing. Land on both feet and continue into a run or walk to gradually reduce momentum and absorb the impact. The entire movement requires speed, coordination, and core tension. You can also stick the landing by finishing in a semi-squat position. The foundations for performing a front flip are maintaining a hollow position, tuck V-ups, an explosive 2-foot jump, and of course, the most important one, the dive roll. Tuck V-ups will help you achieve the tuck position more efficiently. The forward hip circle will help you get used to the rotation. Different jump variations will improve the takeoff for the front flip, including both the punch and maintaining the hollow position. A dynamic opening into a straight body position activates the muscles needed to open the flip and prepare for landing. The landing itself can be practiced by jumping down from a block. A more complex drill that combines many aspects of the front flip can be achieved by jumping onto a block after a run-up or by performing a dive roll. Start the progression with a dive roll. Then perform the same movement, but slightly tuck your body in the air to over-rotate the skill and land on your back. As you continue this drill, place more emphasis on the tuck position and the opening phase. Perform a front tuck using a block for assistance. Finally, perform a front tuck onto a mat. Choose appropriate equipment for the described progression, adjusted to your current level. During the takeoff, look forward instead of down. This will make it easier to stay upright and jump higher. During the hurdle, keep your feet flexed rather than pointed. If you are attempting the front flip, but still under-rotating, keep your legs apart during the landing to avoid hitting your head with your knees. There are 3 different arm swing variations. If coordinating the arms is difficult, start with the first variation by keeping your arms up during the hurdle. If you naturally use the second one, that's great. It is the movement you want to achieve. The third variation, where the arms swing back and then up, is rarely used. A common mistake in a front flip is losing momentum due to a high and short hurdle. Leaning forward results in a lack of height and a fast rotation, making it difficult to achieve the tuck position. Lack of arm swing, or even arm movement that counteracts the rotation. pulling the knees to the chest without driving the hips upward, resulting in insufficient angular momentum despite being in the tuck position. That's everything about the front flip. Practice safely and good luck.